Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by assembling the machine skeleton and power source. Place a 3x3 reinforced titanium alloy frame, then mount the power matrix. Once done, insert 8 quantum plates into the outer sockets while you fit 4 flux cores in the cross pattern. This stabilizes flux resonance and prevents cascade failures. Make sure to calibrate the power matrix to 5000 RF capacity before adding the chrono crystal. You do this now to lock baseline timing and avoid needing to redo core alignment later. You now wire the temporal circuits and program the sequencing. Connect flux cores using insulated temporal conductors in alternating polarity so resonance cancels noise. This reduces drift. Once wired, attach the pulse sequencer and set it to 120 BPM to match the quantum plate oscillation frequency, then sync it to the power matrix input so current pulses align. Next, program the chrono crystal with the epoch coordinates and a safety vector. Doing this makes the machine target a stable window and prevents accidental jumps. You complete assembly by performing controlled activation and final checks. Run a 3-stage dry test at 25%, then 60%, finally 100% power for 30 seconds each to observe resonance behavior. Once stable, engage the temporal anchor and monitor the resonance meter closely. If the meter climbs into the red zone, immediately abort. Make sure to step back before full activation and verify the safety vector is active. If instability occurs, reset the pulse sequencer and reduce power by 10%. That quick fix often restabilizes the field.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.